Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 97. Point O is the center of a circle. The measure of RS on this circle is 100 degrees. What is the measure in degrees of its associated angle ROS? So at the same time, when we reading these questions, we can drawing the circle with the center O, and then we can drawing R is on the circle, right, and S is on the circle. We have to, let me highlight the keywords here. RS is on this circle, O is the center, and the measure of that R is 100. Now, what is the angle ROS in degree? So we know that the given point is the arc line RS right here, the red one, that the arc RS is 100 degree. And we see that the question is what is the ROS? What is this one? And we know that OR is equal OS, that is the radius. So because the radius, right, so we can see that the 100% is the same at the arc measurement, right? So that question mark is the same at the arc measurement. So the answer in this question is 100 degree. So sometimes if we have like a angle like this, if we circle like this, the angle not change, right? The angle not change. So it's similar in this question. So we have R is right here, O is right here, S is right here, OS equal OR. So this is kind of like the angles right here is 100. So is any position in between two label, the angle ROS is still 100. It's the same angle. We're not changing the angle, right? So that's why it's 100 degree in this case. If they say R and S is not on the circle, it's not on this circle, that will be difficult and confusing at the same time, because they may look like this, right? If it's not right here, it's not no. It's maybe like a H for the hard problem, right? So RHS, the arch is 100 degree, but this angle is different. We don't know, right? Unless they give us more detail. But in this case, it's really nice because O is the center, so we have that is the same. The inner angle is the same as the arc measurement of that same angle, right? ROS is the same angle with like the same measurement with like the RS. How about if we cannot if we don't want to spend time to draw that out, right? If we good enough, we will see the O is the center of the circle. We know that O is the center right here, and then OR equal OS. So the angle is the same thing at RS, arch RS. So that's 100. So making sure we know this question well, because If we stuck on this question for so long, that is just intake our time. But if we know it well, so when we're reading some questions similar like this, we just answer it as fast as we can. Then we go to another question. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.